In this video, we'll talk about what to do when your mind wanders, when it becomes distracted and your mind moves off your object of meditation, that is, the feeling of loving kindness. Let's talk about something everyone, and I mean everyone, even very advanced meditators encounter. Your mind wanders. And I want to be really clear about something right from the start. Your mind wandering is not a problem. It's not a failure. And it doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. Here's what actually happens. You sit down. You generate that beautiful feeling of loving kindness. You're with your spiritual friend, and then 5 seconds later, you're thinking about lunch, or that thing the boss said, or did I lock the door? You may not even realize it for several minutes. You're deep in a daydream, and then suddenly you realize, oh, I was supposed to be meditating. That moment of waking up, that's the magic moment. That's mindfulness doing its job. And every time it happens, you're getting stronger. You're building the muscle of awareness. Let me reframe this for you. If your mind wanders 25 times during a 30-minute meditation and you return to your object 25 times, you've just had 25 successful practices of mindfulness in a single sitting. That's not a failed meditation. That is a fantastic meditation. When you're a beginner, you may stay on your object of meditation for only 5 seconds to maybe a minute before it wanders off. This is completely normal. With practice, that window grows, maybe 2 minutes and then 5 and then 10. But even very advanced meditators experience mind wandering. The difference is they notice it more quickly. So please, don't judge yourself for getting distracted. Celebrate every return. That's the whole game. The 5 hindrances. Now, the Buddha identified 5 main categories of distraction that pull our minds away during meditation. He called these the 5 hindrances. Understanding them helps you recognize what's happening when you get pulled off your object of meditation. Think of them like knowing the names of the players on the opposing team. Hindrance number 1, sensual desire. This is wanting pleasant experiences. During meditation, it might show up as daydreaming about food, fantasizing about a vacation, or thinking about how nice it would be to be doing something else. Basically, it's your mind chasing after pleasant things. Hindrance number 2, aversion or ill will. This is the opposite, not wanting unpleasant things. It shows up as irritation, frustration, annoyance, or resentment. Why is that dog barking? This chair is uncomfortable. I can't believe my neighbor said that to me. Your mind pushing away what it doesn't like. Hindrance number 3, sloth and torpor. This is sleepiness, drowsiness, or mental fog. Your eyelids get heavy, your head starts to nod, and everything gets dull and fuzzy. It's especially common if you meditate right after eating or if you're sleep deprived. Hindrance number 4, restlessness and worry. This is the fidgety, anxious energy. Your mind is jumping from thought to thought to thought. You can't settle. You're thinking about your to-do list. You're worrying about the future. You're replaying stressful situations. It's like a monkey swinging from branch to branch. Hindrance number 5, doubt. This is a sneaky one. Is this working? Am I doing it right? Maybe I should try a different technique. Maybe meditation isn't for me. Doubt can feel very reasonable and very intellectual, but it's just another hindrance. Another way your mind pulls you away from your meditation object. The solution for all 5 is the same. Don't feed them with attention. Recognize what's happened, let it be, come back to your object. In the next module, we'll learn exactly how to deal with this using the 6 R's. For now, just start noticing when a hindrance arises and gently come back to your meditation object, the feeling of loving kindness. Now, I want to talk to you about working with physical pain. There's one specific distraction that deserves its own discussion, and that's physical pain. Because it will come up, and how you work with it matters a lot. When you sit for 30 minutes or more, your body will complain. Your knee might ache, your back might stiffen, your foot might fall asleep, an itch might appear on your nose. These are all normal, and they're all part of the practice. Here's the key principle. Don't move immediately. When pain or discomfort arises, your first reaction will be to shift or to scratch or adjust or, maybe even stand up. Instead, pause. Use the process you'll learn in Module 6, the 6 R's, on the pain itself. Recognize the pain, let go of your mental reaction to it. Relax the tension that built up around it. Smile. Return to loving kindness. Here's something fascinating. Most of the suffering from pain isn't the sensation itself. It's your resistance to it. It's the, I don't want this, make it stop, this is terrible, story that your mind wraps around it. When you separate the raw sensation from your mental reaction, something remarkable happens. The sensation is still there, but the suffering decreases dramatically. Try this. Instead of my pain, think of it as this sensation. Not my knee is killing me, but there is a sensation in this area. Feel the difference? One is personal and dramatic. The other is just observational. Now, we're training the mind, not damaging the body. Over time, as your posture improves and your mind settles, discomfort will arise less and less. One way to test this for yourself is, if you get physical pain and then you stand up, is the pain still there? No? We call this meditation pain, and it's quite common. With practice, you'll know when meditation pain shows up versus true physical pain. Another thing to observe is that if you don't break your meditation sitting and the pain fades away, that's usually meditation pain. Of course, real physical pain, real physical discomfort is something that should be dealt with correctly if it shows up. Only you will know the difference by observing this in your own meditation practice.